Hello folks, I'm Anjaran from StreetTube TV. I think you remember I told you that I will make a video in English language. So in this video I'm gonna do that. Today we are gonna talk about top 5 poorest countries in the world. So no more talking, let's jump into the video. Before start the video, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get it. Number 5. Malawi. According to World Bank's World Development Indicators, Malawi has $1,604 as the GNI. And the thing is, over 70 population of Malawi people live on less than $1.90 per day. Farming is the main source of income for many families in the country. The continuous spread of viral diseases such as HIV has also greatly affected the country's population and mortality rate. Number 4. Niger. Only gaining independence from France in 1960, Niger's economy has suffered greatly. Obviously, as a direct result of that, the country has $906 as the gross national income or GNI. Over 80% of their population live in rural areas even without electricity and vital facilities. Even those who live in urban areas often populate the slums. Although the country did see a significant 4.9% economic growth in 2017. Number 3. Democratic Republic of Congo. The Democratic Republic of Congo, also known as DCR, is a country rich in natural resources like copper, diamond and other minerals. However, the civil wars in the country have caused over 6 million deaths and displacements. Not only that, the corruption and lack of basic infrastructures also contribute to the country's declining economic growth. Because of that, Congo's gross national income decreased and today it displays as $796. Number 2. Burundi. A brutal 12-year civil war in 1994 between the Tutsi and the Hutu people set the country back for generations to come. Less than 10% of the country's population has access to electricity and even less than modern technology and the internet. Number 1. Somalia. Somalia is classified by the United Kingdom as a least developed country. The GNI of Somalia is $130. There are currently 24 countries in the low income country list. In that list, Somalia has the lowest place. Moreover, the population of Somalia is based on agriculture. According to the most recent data published by United Nations Development Programme, Somalia has a 73% poverty rate. So, Somalia is among the world's poorest nations according to its national GDP, GNI and other poverty indicators. That's it guys, the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to comment about your all thoughts and ideas in the comment box, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. See you soon in the next week with a new video. Bye guys, have a nice day. Cheers.